had no water, no coffee, no towels, no toilet roll. Food is very, very scarce. If you're not fast, you're last. No restaurants, no security, no lifeguards. Literally, I should have stayed at home. But let's see what the result will be today. I'm hoping for full refund. Not settling for anything less. I think the strike is good. The staff are treated appallingly. They're not allowed any water. If they're caught drinking water at work, they are fined $100, and they only get paid $2 an hour. No food. They're not allowed to eat while they're at work. And for a very large corporation like this, it is appalling, the amount of waste in food alone.